C-4100 series production power saws are among the most preferred machines in metal service centers and manufacturing facilities where production sawing is performed. They feature a 16-inch round and 14-inch square cutting capacity and are available in manual, automatic, and numerically controlled models to match your sawing needs. C-4100 series machines utilize a 1 1/2-inch bimetal or tungsten carbide bandsaw blade driven by a 10 horsepower motor, so you can cut a wide variety of materials with exceptional accuracy and unmatched productivity. Let's look at these and other features that make a DoALL C-4100 series machine the right saw for you. An AC inverter eliminates the need for variable pulleys and provides infinite band speed control from 40 to 360 feet per minute for cutting a wide variety of materials. Full-stroke vise assemblies quickly grip the stock and eliminate the need for the operator to adjust the vise position every time the material size changes. A work height sensor senses the height of the stock and reduces cycle time by permitting the saw head to raise just enough to allow the material to pass through. Rapid approach control allows the saw head to move quickly into position above the cut, then slows as the head approaches the stock. A split front vise grips the stock on both sides of the blade. This provides faster cycle times, minimizes burrs, and reduces rework costs. C-4100 series machines offer automatic indexing from 1/4 inch to 24 inches in a single index on automatic and NC models. Rapid travel vise control allows the operator to quickly position the index vise and reduce setup time. An out-of-stock sensor detects the trailing end of the stock and stops the automatic indexing function when there is insufficient material for additional cuts. An adjustable fence on the discharge tray slides side to side to form a chute for the cut parts. It's most useful when cutting stacked or nested materials. 21-inch ductile iron band wheels reduce band fatigue and provide smooth, consistent band travel throughout the cut. A hydraulically powered band brush removes chips from the blade gullets to provide optimum band performance. Coolant is applied to the saw band through the saw guides. This assures proper lubrication, optimizes band life, minimizes the potential for chip welding, and reduces cutting noises. For even greater productivity, a wide variety of gravity and powered conveyors, bar loaders, staging tables, and custom material handling systems are available. A floating indexer assembly features a heavy steel fabricated carriage guided by 2 hardened ways that move the material smoothly and precisely. The assembly can even pivot left and right to compensate for crooked stock. When cutting in the automatic mode, a kerf compensation function automatically adjusts the index length to compensate for the amount of material removed by the band. This minimizes the potential for error and increases operator efficiency. Spring-loaded zero-clearance carbide inserts are extremely wear-resistant and accurately guide the band into and out of the cut. Cast guide arms can easily be positioned to accommodate material size and hold the band precisely in place during the cut. Rigid weldments in the machine base and head are stress-relieved to eliminate warping and twisting, reduce vibration, and provide consistent accuracy. On NC models, a conveniently positioned pedestal-mounted control features an alphanumeric display to input operating parameters. For more information on the programming and operating features of DoALL NC controls, a separate instructional video is available. The operator control panel on C-4100A and M models is also conveniently located and features controls for most machine functions. Variable pressure adjustment of both the fixed and index vise is standard. This permits sawing of tubing and other hollow, thin wall materials without crushing or distorting. A hydraulic band tension mechanism operated from the control panel maintains a factory preset 30,000 pounds per square inch to provide optimal cut accuracy. An automatic crop cut feature begins the cutting cycle and provides a zero point of reference for accurate material indexing. Most saw functions are controlled by the PLC control. This reduces the complexity and cost of wiring and makes the saw easier to maintain. Prompting messages on NC models alert the operator to take action when required without the need for time-consuming troubleshooting. Electrical and hydraulic components are enclosed in easily accessible cabinets to facilitate maintenance. A heavy-duty worm gear transmission coupled to the 10 horsepower band drive motor provides superior performance with minimal maintenance. A convenient flushing hose allows the operator to wash chips from the cutting area and keep the saw clean. Sight gauges allow the operator to quickly check coolant and hydraulic fluid levels. A powered auger moves chips from the cutting area to a discharge chute and dumps them into a receptacle. Auger speed can be easily adjusted to facilitate chip removal. Replaceable wear plates on the index and fixed jaws, plus lead-in and lead-out rollers and carbide-faced inserts on the saw guides are easy to change when necessary. A sensor quickly stops the band drive motor if the saw band breaks during operation and prevents the band drive from starting if the band tension is not sufficiently applied. Interlock mechanisms on the band doors shut down the band drive motor if the doors are open during operation and prevent the saw from starting if the doors are not completely closed. An idler wheel motion detector stops the machine automatically if the saw band stalls in the material being cut. A heavy-duty protective railing prevents accidental contact with the moving vise assembly. All control components are low-voltage DC for increased safety when the machine is being serviced. And all C-4100 series machines meet or exceed UL, CE, and CSA standards. With simplified operation, greater productivity, exceptional cutting accuracy, reduced maintenance, and increased safety, the DoALL C-4100 series power saws are among the most preferred machines for production sawing on the market today. To find out more about how a DoALL C-4100 series saw can reduce your sawing costs and lower your total cost of ownership, contact your DoALL Sawing Products representative today.